So now, what happens if we choose our location and go to a different location? One of the things you can do with this is click here, click it again, and then go over here and say home location. Right now it's got my location in Burbank, California, and then over here next to it, it's got my latitude, 34 degrees 11 minutes. Now I could click here, and then I could change it here. I can say, what if I live on the equator? What if I live on the equator? So go down and choose your latitude, and then go down here, go to 0. Now what's going to happen? So now over here, I'm going to choose here the click here, and look at the home sign. It's going to put me on 0 degrees 0. So right now I'm on the equator of the earth. It could be any country, or it could be in the middle of the ocean. 0 degrees latitude, 0 arc minutes. So this is my home location, and now I'm going to go back here. Click again, Sky Live. Okay, so now, how many hours of sunlight is the equator going to receive? Well, today, October 26th, they receive 12 hours and 6 minutes. So if I click forward, no change. Look at that. No change. Right now I'm going through the days. November 13. If you live on the equator, no matter what day it is, no matter what month, you should always get the same number of hours of daylight. So look at that. I'm just going forward. So you really experience no season if you live on the equator. Keep going. Okay, it doesn't change much. It stays 12 hours and 7 minutes. Okay, so you could choose basically whatever location you're at and investigate how many hours of sunlight you're going to have. But the interesting thing is, if you're on the equator, you should have no change from season to season. Now the other way that you could choose, instead of doing this way, to choose your location, you could even choose here. You could drag your finger like this, and you could choose a particular city. Billings, Canada. You could go decide wherever you want to investigate, and you can investigate the live sky from that location. Or you could go over here and click here, and it'll give you some city choices, and then it'll take you right there. Like right now I'm in Peru. Like I could put Aberdeen, United Kingdom, and then it'll take me there, and then I could go there. So now my home will be Aberdeen, United Kingdom. I can exit out, and then I could go back. I could go live sky, and I could look here at when the sun rises. For them today, sunrise is 12:04, sets at 9:38 a.m. and they have 9 hours 33 minutes. So they should have very low number of hours of sunlight, because as we go towards December, the cities in the northern hemisphere should get less and less sunlight. So since Aberdeen, United Kingdom is much higher than Los Angeles in the latitude, their number of hours of sunlight should be even less. So you can investigate a lot of different things using this feature. Particularly I'm focusing on now the number of hours of sunlight. Okay, thank you.